Hi, Shika.
I've called you to inform that company is facing very frequent issues, quality issues, with existing
Mhm.
Morton brand equipment and its parts. Site has planned to replace all the existing machines, air filters, and oscillating screens for 4 years contract. Our company has informed all the distributors for the same. Kindly revert back to use with the best offers available.
Okay, I understand the problem that you are facing. I'll perform my best. Just wanted to know what features are you seeking for those parts?
First of all, it should meet all the food processing industry standards.
Mhm.
Minimum
Okay.
30 days inventory for the same from your
Mhm.
side and 24-hour spare part delivery.
Okay, Anshika. I got the idea about what are your company's requirement, and I'll get back to you soon.
Okay, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi, Ankush. How are you?
Yeah, all well. What about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Vinu, I just received a call from EPP company, and they were complaining for the Morton equipment parts, and they have asked for a 4-year order with the new supplier. As agreed in the Friday meeting for the search of new supplier, have you started for that?
Yeah, I have started for its whose machine parts seems to meet perfect popcorn processing's exact requirement, as parts are made standard and can fit into any company's model. Other than modern equipment, which is existing supplier, Dependable Equipment Limited and Reliable Equipment Limited are identified as suitable ones.
Okay, Vinu, that's good. Please contact them as soon as possible, and I'm forwarding your PPP's demand. Okay, Vinu?
Okay, 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 bye.
Yeah, okay, bye. Take care.
I'm Renu, Purchase Manager, Paramount Distributing Company.
Hello, Vinu. This is Jyoti, Sales Manager Dependable. How may I help you?
I wanted to inquire about your popcorn processing machine, air filters, and oscillating screen.
Yeah, sure, Vinu. We will be happy to serve you. What kind of specification you are seeking to buy?
I would like your company to have detailed discussion for the same. Please suggest suitable time for the meeting with our company representatives.
Okay, Vinu. Whatever time you may like.
Is tomorrow 10 a.m. okay with you?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Okay,
Yes, it
okay.
is
I'll send
perfectly
you the
fine.
meeting invite shortly.
Okay,
Okay, bye.
bye. Akash,
Hi Jyoti, how are you?
I'm good. Actually, Akash, our company has got an inquiry from PDI company for a popcorn processing machine, air filters, and oscillating screens. I have scheduled a meeting with them on Tuesday, 10 o'clock in the morning. Company is interested to deal with us, and this deal is very important for us to crack. And I want you to represent our product to the company.
Sure, Jyoti, no problem at all. Will surely give my best.
Okay, that's great. Good luck and keep me updated about the progress. Bye.
Okay. Hello Ankush, how are you?
Yeah, hi Akash. Yeah, I'm really good. I'm short on time, so let's start with the product directly.
Sure. So as you can see on the screen, I would
Yeah.
like to tell you about our company. So our company
Mhm.
company is very well established and certified food equipment manufacturer and maintain a high quality standard associated with all our food products and have received a number of quality awards. So our company is also
Okay.
popular for its popcorn processing segment and has impressive qualification. So, what kind of specifications are you seeking for your processing plant, Ankush?
Okay. Yeah. So I want a popcorn processing machine, air filters, and oscillating screens, which can handle the speed around 100 to 120 bushels per hour, and can support the machine with a capability of greater than, let's say, 10,000 hours mean time failures. And moreover, it should be OEM certified. Yeah.
So, okay, our product seems to meet all your criteria. In this slide, you can see our air filters and oscillating screens. They are all made up of stainless steel. It supports machine which can process 120 bushels of corn per hour and 99.9% reliability, and support machine to operate with 50,000 hours with no breakdown.
Okay. So what is their lifespan?
They need to be replaced every month for greater equipment efficacy.
Okay. And what are the after-sales services that you provide?
So troubleshooting visits to the plant and service visits, as we are available just 24 hours.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Akash. I think your product will be best suited for what we desire as per our needs, and I will let you know for the future and the further processes.
Sure, Akash. Ankush, have a nice day.
Yeah, no problem. Wishing you the same, Anshul. Hello, Vinu.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Vinu. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Hi, Ankush. How was your meeting yesterday?
Yeah. So their product meets the specification requirement we need, and I have received the product technical documents. Please check them at your end and proceed further them with the deal.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Vinu, how are you?
I'm good. I have received go ahead for the product. Kindly send the quotation of the product.
Okay, I will send it shortly.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Ash,
Hi, Veenu.
I have seen your quotation and it's not acceptable to the company.
No problem. As you can see on the screen, I would like to show you something. So here in this slideshow, we are showing you two offers. In the first, we are offering you 23% discount and additional benefits like free shipping, 2 years free service. In the second offer, we are offering you 26% discount with additional benefit like free shipping only. Rating of 4 points, we have a rating of 4.7, which is much higher than our competitors. It is OEM certified and best quality in the market. Specs are way better than the competitors, and our after sales services are also very good.
Okay, your second offer is much promising. I'll go with the second offer of yours.
That
I
is
will
great.
present your offer. I will present your offer to the leadership team and revert you.
Sure. That this is very great. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Hi, Jyoti.
Hi Vinu.
You will be glad to hear that your offer is approved by our company.
That's a great news.
Yeah, I'm sharing with you the formal purchase order. Kindly get it signed and send back to me.
Okay, Vinu. Thanks. Our company has a similar form for the order, and I'm sending it to you for approval signatures.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
Same to you. Bye.
Hi Jyoti, I have sent back you the form.
Yeah, I have also sent you the signed off purchase order.
Okay, it will be great. I'll send you the material by tomorrow.
No issues, Vinu. We will start work by tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.